Welcome to Best of Vancouver, everything that is Vancouver and beyond. Food, drinks, activities, whatever we can think of, we're going to do an episode today on Lavender Lattes. So we're going to go to 3 places, check out what's good, and then report back. I'm Billy, this is Lillian, combined we are a billion. Okay, let's go. So we just came back from Heirloom Vegetarian Restaurant.
On Granville and 12.
And we ordered the Lavender Latte. It was $6 each. I got mine with almond milk and she got hers with 2% milk. What did you think?
I thought it was really good.
Yeah.
It's actually 49th Parallels Lavender Latte.
Yeah, and that's probably why we're not going to go there afterwards to try theirs. But overall, it's great, smooth.
Not too sweet.
Yeah, not too sweet. Really didn't have to add anything on top of it. But yeah, I think it's so far one of our favorites, even like outside of this video. All right, let's go.
Does this make it taste better?
That one's better.
The slurp?
Yeah. So we went to Boku Bakery. They did not have a lavender latte, but we're at Arbutus Coffee House right now. And it's not on their menu. You can order it. We ordered it with soy milk this time. And I can say that their lavender is a lot stronger. Or the lavender is very good in this latte. Possibly even better than Heirloom. Yeah. We got a cheese ramen croissant from Boku. There's ramen inside and it's fantastic. Okay. Chambar is pretty good. Pretty sweet though.
It was really good, but very sweet.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we like that, but it's cheaper. I think it was like $9.50 for 2. And we are now at Crackle and Cream.
Cheers. What is this? 4th lavender latte of the day?
Yes. Pretty heavy on the foam here at Crackle and Cream, but the lavender balance and the soy milk is pretty good. I think actually using soy milk might actually be better. We just got an Evo. We're very excited. So, best of winner of Lavender Latte in Vancouver. Mine will be Arbutus Coffee House. Yours?
Same.
Yeah, it's just the perfect balance. Great little coffee shop in a very nice neighborhood, I would say. I think it's the best one. That one was made with soy, not overly sweet, no fuzzy tongue aftertaste compared to the one at Crackle and Cream. Yeah, let us know what you think. Share, like, drop us a comment on what best of episode we should do next. Thanks for watching.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night.